let's solve this question. We're given this diagram, and then here's the question. It said the diagram is a portion of a right circular solid cylinder of radius 7 cm, that is from this point B to this point C, is the radius of this right circular solid cylinder. Now the height is 15 cm, that is from point C to point R. Now this point C to point R is also equals to distance from point B to point Q. Sorry, this diagram is not drawn to scale. Now the center of the base of the cylinder is Q, that is this point, while that of the top is B, that is this point, where angle ABC, which is this angle, is equals to angle PQR, which is this angle, that equals to 120 degrees. And the question is, calculate and correct to one decimal place A, the volume of this solid, and then B, the total surface area of the solid. So solution. Now the volume of a solid is equals to the base area multiplied by height of the solid. Now the base area is equals to the area of the major sector of this solid. So here's the major sector, right? Because this remaining part has been cut out, so we are not dealing with this part which form the major sector. Now it's major sector because the angle, this angle here, is bigger than 120 degrees, but we'll find out later. Now from the question, the height given is equals to 15 cm, and then the radius given is equals to 7 cm. Now the formula for area of a sector, right? Area of a sector is equals to theta over 360 times pi r square. Now how do you find theta? Theta is equals to 360 minus 120 degrees. By the way, let's here be our theta, right? The angle of this major sector. So to find the theta is going to be equals to 360 degrees minus 120 degrees. So 360 minus 120 is equals to 240 degrees. So theta is equals to 240 degrees. So we have that the area of this major sector is equals to theta is 240 divided by 360 multiplied by, now pi is 22 over 7 times radius is 7, so 7 square, right? So this and this will cancel. 24 divided by 36 is equals to 2 over 3. Let me make some space here. So we have that area is equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by, now this 7 we cancel one of this 7 here, we'll be left with 22 times 7, and this is equals to 2 times 22 is equals to 44. So we have 44 multiplied by 7 divided by 3. So we're going to have that the area is equals to 44 multiplied by 7 divided by 3. Now, but we know that volume is equals to area times height. V volume is equals to area times height, as I stated earlier. So area is 44 multiplied by 7 divided by 3, then times height is equals to 15 cm. So we have 15 here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. So I have that volume is equals to 44 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. Now this is equal to 1540 0.0 cm cube. And so this is the volume of this solid shape. Let's solve the second part of the question. The second part says find the total surface area of the solid. Now the total surface area of the solid is the area of this sector plus the area of the bottom part of this sector, then plus the area of this the body of this solid, plus the area of these two equal rectangles. Alright, so the area of this top sector, which we have found earlier, but let me just write the formula, is theta over 360 times pi r square. Alright, there are two, the top and the bottom, so let's put it in a parenthesis. So 2 multiplied by this, then plus the surface area of this cylinder is given by theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r h plus the area of these two rectangles BC QR and ABPQ. They are equal, so we're going to have 2 multiplied by their area is 7 times 15, so you write 7 times 15. So we have 2 multiplied by theta is equals to 240 divided by 360, then times pi is 22 over 7 multiplied by r square is 7 square, then plus theta is 240 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7, then times radius is 7 times height is 15, then plus 2 multiplied by 7 times 15. Now 7 times 15 is equals to 105. 2 times 105 is equals to 210. So you have 2 multiplied by 240 divided by 360. You're going to have 2 over 3, then multiplied by this 7 and one of these will cancel. We have 22 times 7, then plus 240 divided by 360 is equals to 2 over 3, then multiplied by 2 times 22 is equals to 44. Now this 7 and this 7 we cancel, we'll be left with 44 times 15, this 15 then plus 2 10. So 2 multiplied by 2 over 3 times 22 times 7, this is equals to 205.3333. Then we have plus 2 over 3 times 44 times 15, this is equals to 440. Then finally we have plus 210. If you sum up all these numbers, you are going to get that the total surface area is equals to 855.333. But from the question, we have to correct the answer to be in 1 decimal place. So total surface area is going to be equals to 855.3. And so this is the answer to the second part of the question. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments and share with your friends. Enjoy the rest of your day.